इस वीडियो को हिंदी भाषा में देखने के लिए सेटिंग्स में जाकर हिंदी ऑडियो चुनें।
Namaskar. Welcome back to Simplify Your Space. I hope you're all doing well.
Alexa, play.
Winter has officially begun, and with it comes the usual issues: colds, coughs, and viral fevers. I couldn't upload a video last week because I wasn't feeling well either. On top of that, our house help, who has been with us for many years, has gone to her hometown for 1.5 months. So for now, we are handling all the household work ourselves. We haven't kept a replacement, not because we couldn't find one, but simply because we chose not to. She has been working with us for the last 4-5 years, and she takes such a good care of our home and all the cleaning. Whenever she takes leave, I manage things on my own. During COVID, I had invested in a few really helpful home and kitchen cleaning appliances. So with their help, I usually manage everything smoothly. But this time, since she is on a long leave, I've had to make quite a few changes to my normal routine. And as you all know, I genuinely enjoy cleaning, organizing, and maintaining my home. So it honestly does not feel difficult for me. I've set a proper cleaning routine for myself and I follow it regularly, which helps me finish all my tasks calmly and on time. So today I'm sharing my daily kitchen cleaning routine with you. My son has left for school and my husband left for office. Once I finish my breakfast and do a bit of general cleaning around the house, I finally move to the kitchen. Along with my regular daily kitchen cleaning, I also make sure to reorganize or deep clean 1 or 2 small sections. This way the kitchen always stays neat and tidy and I don't feel the pressure of deep cleaning the entire kitchen at once. While putting away the cutlery, I noticed that the cutlery drawer had become quite dirty and there were a lot of food particles inside. So I instantly decided that today I will deep clean and reorganize this drawer. Before starting the cleaning, I load all the breakfast dishes into the dishwasher so that by the time I finish my work, the dishes are also done and the kitchen sink stays empty. The dishwasher is loaded now. Some things still need to be washed by hand, like the pressure cooker lid, water bottles, the non-stick tawa, etc. I don't put these in the dishwasher. I don't know why this happens, but maybe you have also noticed when we clean the house ourselves, it takes a little extra time. Probably because we end up cleaning every corner, lifting every single thing, and something or the other always shows up that needs cleaning. So we start with one task and somehow 4-5 more tasks get added in between, which makes the whole process take a bit longer. After washing the dishes, I make sure to clean the sink properly as well. Wow! Just looking at an empty, clean, sparkling sink gives such a unique sense of calm, even if it lasts only for a little while. I guess this is what aging really feels like, when a clean home and a tidy kitchen give you the most happiness. Does this happen with you too? Let me know in the comments. After finishing the dishes, I moved on to cleaning the drawers. The first drawer is where I keep all the serving spoons, ladles, spatulas, strainers, peeling knives, regular knives, and our daily use cutlery. I emptied it completely and just look at this. So many food particles had collected inside. Even the bottom of the drawer had become quite dirty. I have this small handheld vacuum cleaner which is super handy for cleaning tiny food crumbs. After vacuuming, I clean the drawer and the tray properly and reorganize everything neatly. Above this is another drawer where I keep a few more kitchen tools like tadka pans, lemon squeezer, garlic crushers, saws, chopsticks, soup spoons, small forks, baking tools, and so on. This one had also become messy and unorganized, so I emptied it as well and gave it a good clean. The tray was a bit dirtier than usual, so I washed it thoroughly. And done. This whole area is now clean and sorted. Now I will quickly clean the countertop and the cooktop as well. Today I am removing everything and doing a slightly deeper clean. I really don't know how, but food particles somehow reach behind these racks and trays. Especially mustard seeds pop and scatter everywhere while tempering, and they hide behind the racks. The container also get finger stains, so I'm wiping them properly today. I don't wash the cooktop daily, I usually just wipe it down with a cloth. Once a week I remove all the burners and stands and wash them thoroughly. There is a small sink here too, so I have scrubbed and cleaned that nicely. And now the countertop is clean as well. On the other side of the kitchen, I need to make a few small changes today. First, I am cleaning my kettle. For that, I have added water and vinegar and switched it on. Usually when winter starts, I create a little coffee corner here. But these days we have reduced our tea and coffee intake a lot, so I'm not keeping the coffee machine out this time. Instead, I'm setting up a small health corner with roasted almonds, pistachios, and dates. We have a good stock of these right now, and when they are kept in front, we actually end up consuming them. If they stay inside the pantry, we simply forget. I'm also keeping instant coffee here for those occasional days, especially when it gets really cold. I'm placing the green tea sachets in the drawers. My husband drinks only green tea these days. He has completely stopped having regular milk tea. Nowadays, milk and milk tea don't suit us anymore, especially in the evenings. So we have reduced our milk consumption a lot. And honestly, the quality of milk these days just does not feel good. Food, milk, veggies, nothing feels truly pure anymore. So many people are also complaining that milk no longer suits them. Using the same vinegar water from the kettle, I also cleaned the microwave. I heated it for 2 minutes and the steam made it super easy to wipe everything clean. Then I washed the kettle properly and boiled fresh water once just to remove any vinegar residue. Now I'll finish by cleaning the kitchen floor. I have this Agaro Supreme Stick vacuum cleaner and it cleans really well. I've been using it for 3-4 years now and I'm very happy with its performance. It's extremely lightweight and cleans the house beautifully. Because of this, I don't need to mop daily at all. These days I mop just once a week. I vacuum every day. Yes, if any area becomes very dirty and looks like it needs mopping, then I mop it. Since I'm doing all the cleaning and chores myself these days, I plan everything very smartly. I don't do every cleaning task every single day, and honestly, I don't even feel the need. If we maintain our home a little bit daily, there is no need for jhadu pocha every day. Anyway, by the time I finished cleaning the kitchen, the dishwasher cycle was also done. I'll now take the dishes out and place them on the dish rack so that any leftover moisture can dry out. This way I don't need to wipe them individually. After a little while, I can directly put them back into the cabinets. Having a dishwasher at home is such a big help. Usually I load it in the night and by morning all the dishes are clean. Some people feel that cookers and kadhais don't get properly cleaned and that corners of the cooker remain dirty. But that's not the case. Look, the cooker is completely clean and so is the kadhai. If you want a detailed video about using a dishwasher, I have already made several and you will find the links in the description box. And now I will move on to preparing lunch. On regular days, we usually have simple and quick meals. Today I am making garlic toast steamed mixed vegetables which my husband really loves, along with bhindi ki bhujia, dal and rice. First I will wash and chop all the vegetables. These days in a society, a vegetable vendor comes once a week, so mostly I buy all my veggies from him. The quality is really good and everything is fresh. Occasionally, if needed, I also order online. For example, I ordered these bhindi online, but just look at the huge size they sent. Not a good quality at all.
Anyways, I have chopped the mixed vegetables and set them aside for steaming. While they are steaming, I will cut the bhindi and start making the bhindi bhujia, and at the same time I will cook dal and rice. And lunch will be ready in no time.
When we have help at home, we get used to their support and our routine naturally follows that pattern. But when there is no help, it can feel challenging. However, if we get a little help from family and plan our routine well, everything goes smoothly. That's why flexibility and occasional changes are important in life. If you want me to make a video on how I manage daily home cleaning these days without a house help, do comment below. I will definitely try to make one. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like and share it. Subscribe to Simplify Your Space to watch more videos like this. I'll see you all next week. Until then, happy homemaking from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.